In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join lines using the Fillet command in Autocad. If you've ever worked in Autocad, you know how important it is to manipulate line segments seamlessly, whether you're designing complex structures or crafting intricate schematics. One of the essential techniques I have for you today is the Fillet command, which can elegantly connect two lines with a smooth arc or remove their intersection seamlessly. So let's dive in and explore how to use this handy tool effectively. First, you'll want to turn your attention to the command line interface. It's the powerful text box usually at the bottom of your Autocad workspace. In the command line, you will need to type the word Fillet. If you're looking for a shortcut to increase your speed, you can simply type F. Once you've entered that, press the Enter key. This action activates the Fillet command, giving you the ability to join lines in a clean, professional manner. Now, you might be wondering what happens when you type that command. Well, Autocad places you in a mode where you're ready to select the lines you wish to join. It's like telling the program, hey, I'm ready to connect some lines. Help me out here. So with this command ready, let's go ahead and select the two lines you want to join. Simply click on the first line to highlight it, and then, with another click, select the second line. The program will know these are the two you've chosen to connect. Once you've clicked on both lines, Autocad automatically performs the magic of joining these two line segments together. You'll see that either the lines have been joined by a smooth arc if you are working with curves, or the intersection is removed in a tidy fashion if you are working with corners. This feature comes incredibly handy, especially when you need precision and accuracy in your drawings. It ensures that your two lines meet at a precise tangent or angle, aligning perfectly as intended. There you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've joined two lines using the Fillet command in Autocad. This technique can greatly enhance the efficiency and neatness of your design process. Practicing it will help you work faster and produce cleaner, more professional drawings in Autocad.